रुंदीकरणाच्या कामाक लागून शांतीनगर ते राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग जोडपी रेल्वे पूल फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्यां खातीर बंद आसतलो अशी माहिती येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन दिली। हो रेल्वे पूल 3 पटीन रुंद करतले आनी हाचे काम फुडल्या 3 म्हयन्यांत सुरू करतले अशें तांणी म्हणलें।
See, at Shantinagar, connecting the national highway, previous proposal was to have another small parallel bridge so that on one side you come and on other side you go. But when they have technically examined the whole thing, it is not possible to have a second bridge. The same bridge on the same foundation, strengthening it, we can have a much broader bridge, thrice as much as the size which is existing now, which simply means that the bridge will have to be closed for about 6 to 8 months. So this particular inconvenience will have to be borne by the people of New Wadem and other people associated with these areas. But I think it is worth the trouble because ultimately you will have a bridge where 2 vehicles can cross. Otherwise, every afternoon, every peak hour, you have a traffic jam. People can neither move forward, neither backward. So this is a futuristic step. You have to bear the pains to make a gain in terms of having a broader bridge, and this is what is going to happen with the railways in the process of starting the work after tendering of this new bridge linking New Warden with the highway. The work is expected to start in less than 2 months. That is what they tell me. Within a month it will be tendered. By the time tender is awarded, it will be done fast. In fact, they are trying to convince the previous contractor who is having the work awarded, please you do this work. If that happens, it will start in a month's time.